Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, north-central Henry County in north-central Georgia, central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sweet Auburn, or over Atlanta, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Decatur, Sandy Springs, Smyrna, East Point, Clarkston, Stone Mountain, Avondale Estates, Latonia, Pine Lake, Belvedere Park, North Decatur, North Druid Hills, Midtown, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Chandler McAfee, Druid Hills, North Atlanta, Tucker and Belmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-674-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Fayette County in north-central Georgia, Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Heard County in west-central Georgia, northern Coepa County in west-central Georgia, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carrollton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Dang.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Dang.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Union, Carrollton, Fayetteville, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Palmetto, Bowdoin, Mount Zion, Whitesburg, Ephesus, Rouville, Plant Yates, Seton Lake, Fairplay, Dunaway Gardens, Clem, Abilene, John Tanner State Park, Cannon Gate, and Blackjack Mountain. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Yep.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763.
What the heck? Oh, they must have went over the 2-minute limit.
Tornado warning for Central Douglas.